If your truck is doing frequent or long regens, here's what you actually need to know. Frequent regens don't come from one single issue. They're usually caused by multiple things stacking up over time. When the truck is being driven under the right conditions, enough load, speed, and temperature, it can clean the DPF while you're driving. The system injects fuel, exhaust temperatures go up, and soot burns off in the background. No parking, no buttons, no interruption. If the engine can't burn the soot while driving because of light loads, short trips, excessive idle, or too much soot, the truck will require a park regeneration. That's not anything different. It's the truck telling you it can't keep up while moving, so it needs you to stop and let it finish the job. Both driving regens and park regens raise exhaust temperature by injecting fuel. The only difference is moving versus parked. Now let's clear up elevated idle. Elevated idle is not a regeneration. No soot is being burned. The RPM is raised to help manage exhaust temperature and reduce unburned fuel when operating conditions aren't ideal. If you see elevated idle once in a while, that's normal. If you see it frequently, it's usually a sign the system is struggling upstream. Here's where people get misled. Frequent regens don't automatically mean the DPF is bad. They can be caused by engine maintenance, after-treatment conditions, and overall equipment age. On the engine side, things like restricted air filters, fuel filter or fuel quality issues, oil and oil filter maintenance, overhead valve adjustments not being done on time, all of this increases soot production and forces the after-treatment system to work harder. On the after-treatment side, maintenance and mileage matter. On high mileage trucks, especially 500,000 miles and up, the DPF filter often needs to be replaced, not just cleaned. Ash does not burn off. Once the filter is full of ash, regens will keep getting longer and more frequent. Equipment condition matters too, especially on older trucks. We commonly see one-box housings in poor condition, exhaust leaks before or inside the ATS, excessive corrosion, corroded or damaged wiring harnesses, sensors reacting to bad or unstable signals. When the system can't seal properly, flow correctly, or read accurately, it will keep trying to regenerate more often. Most of the time, frequent regens are not one failure. They're the result of engine condition, after-treatment condition, mileage, and how the truck is operated all stacking up. That's why guessing or replacing one part rarely fixes the problem. If your truck is doing long regens, asking for parked regens more often, or running elevated idle frequently, this is time to inspect it before derates or a shutdown forces the issue. At TAT Express in Dallas, we don't just clear codes and guess. We inspect the engine, the after-treatment system, and the overall condition of the truck to find out why the system can't keep up anymore. If you're seeing these signs, schedule an inspection before it turns into downtime.